Okay, so reading Miranda buys 6 pounds of nuts. If she put 3/4 pound in each bag, how many bags can she make? Okay, so writing down the important information that you guys have already shared with me, I can probably safely assume that it's going to be more than one bag because so I need to somehow figure out a math sentence that allows me to split the 6 pounds into groups of 3/4. And then the amount of times I can do that is my answer because that's the number of bags. Who has a multiplication or division sentence they'd like to share? Antoine?
6 times 4 over 3. 4 over 3.
Okay, 6 times 4 over 3. Anyone agree with that? Okay, several people agree. Someone give me a division sentence. Go ahead, Chakai. 6 divided by 3/4. Okay, both of these make sense because either way, I'm trying to find out how many groups of 3/4, how many groups of the size of 3/4 I can pull out of the 6. So if I multiply straight across here, what is the product of 6 times 4?
24.
Then everybody, what is 24 divided by 3?
8.
Okay, so I know that the product of 6 times 4/3 is going to equal 8 bags. So if I can do it the other way and I get 8 bags, I'm going to be pretty confident that I have the right answer. Because by this point, we should all see that we can write out equivalent expressions for multiplication and division to solve this type of problem. So in order to solve this, what is the fastest, easiest way I could do this? Key change flip. So let's keep the 6, change the multiplication, and then flip the divisor. Everyone should see that, hey, I've just done that. I got 24/3, and I know that simplifies to 8 bags. All right, so I just did this problem 2 different ways, got the same answer. I can be almost certain that I got the right answer. So let's look at the next problem. Let's go ahead and look at Margot freezes 8 cups of strawberries. If this is 2/3 of the total strawberries that you picked, how many cups of strawberries did Margot pick? Okay, so what's some important information I can write down? Guys, if I'm talking up here, don't be sharpening pencils. Brian, what do you say? How many cups? 8 cups. What else looks important? Go ahead, just say it. 2/3 of the total. And then we want to know how many cups total. So I'm going to go ahead and model this one, then I'm going to expect you guys to do number 5 on your own. So what am I trying to find? I'm trying to find the amount total, right? So I can use my tape diagram to show that. I know that I've already done 2/3 of the total. If I want to model 2/3, how many times do I have to divide this whole?
3.
Why 3? Yes, because 3 is the denominator. So if I've done 2/3, if I've already picked 2/3, how many of these thirds do I need to select?
2.
Yeah, so I know from here to here is going to be 8 cups. I know this whole thing. Well, I don't know this whole thing. That's the question. So thinking about this, I have 2 units, right? 2 of these units is equal to 8 cups. What is one of those units equal to? Well, what do I have from here to here? How many cups? 8 cups. And I have how many units within that 8? 1, 2. So what is 8 divided by 2? So that means that this first unit is going to be 4 cups. How much will this one be? I've got one person saying 4 cups. Okay, so now everyone, what's this last third going to be? Okay, so now I should be able to count by 4s, or I can multiply. I mean, I could say 4 plus 4 plus 4. What's the faster way of doing it? So 4 times 3 equals 12 cups. So 4 times 3 equals 12 cups. Is this not similar to what we have already been doing? Yeah, I mean, I could take 8 and figure out by division how many 2/3 groups I can take out of that. And I would end up with the same answer. So I want you all to look at, wrong one, number 5, Regina, and I want you to try and find a answer for how many logs need to be chopped in all.